It's mother versus daughter, Boxycharm by Ipsy. So if you want to see who's got the better variation, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And we have our Boxycharm by Ipsy. So we're going to get into it. I think we might have one or two add-ons in each box, or maybe just in one box. I'm not really sure. Beauty Nightmares is the theme. Let me open this up for you. Here we go.
First, I have this blush tape liquid blush. Nice, nice.
It's by Tarte.
Yeah.
Should we spot it?
If you want to. Not on me.
All right, so it has that little puff on the top.
Touch it?
Yeah. So you have to turn it to open it, so it's closed and open.
Oh, nice. What color is it? Ooh, I like that.
It is in the colors right there.
Pink.
Okay, pink. It's my turn.
I know.
And that is a $36 value.
Ooh, that's pricey.
So right there, that is more than the price of the box. My first item is by Clara's New York. It's an advanced serum, vitamin E and vitamin C, 94% natural brightening. And this says it tackles discoloration, evens out skin. It has sodium hyaluronate as a form of hyaluronic acid. It soothes and smooths, and it is a $25 value. Let's take a look at the bottle. There we go.
Got this 2-in-1 eyeliner. At least, yeah, I think it's an eyeliner. Yeah, eyeliner.
By Luna Magic. It's the glitter eyeliner duo in Mesmerized.
Ooh, I like this. I'm keeping
And
this.
It's cruelty-free and vegan. It has an $18 value.
I like this.
All right. Did we?
Yeah, I opened it. Look at the other side.
All right. So we have this side.
It's like a pinkish. Oh, it looked pink inside. Can I see?
It's brown.
It looked pink inside.
Oh, it's brown.
I like that.
And then we have this little brush here.
I like that. I'm keeping that.
It's a nice topper.
Is that an eyeliner too, or an eyeshadow?
No, that's like a topper, so you would like put it over your eyeshadow. My one of my choice items was this Living Proof Full Thickening Blow Dry Cream. So again, you're just going to use this when you're using the blow dryer, and it's a $32 value. You are going to use it on your hair when it's wet, and it says it coats each strand with microscopic thickening agents and has a light citrus scent. Again, $32 value.
Next, I got this super cool lipstick. And look at that. Woo! That's a nice color.
So that is by Kevin Aucoin. It's the Unforgettable Lipstick Cream in,
right?
Yeah, Thelmadora, and it's a $32 value.
Let's swatch it.
Am I swatching it, or are you going to swatch it on your lips?
Ooh, it smells nice smell.
It smells like
Earthy
chocolate. Yeah. No, it doesn't smell like chocolate cake.
Oh. That smelled my tooth. Did I?
No.
Oh, good. Thought I did. That would have been really weird.
Can I swatch it on the back of my hand so you can see?
Yeah. Does it look good?
Yeah. It's a very light color. And this is by Lunar Beauty, and it is the Mushroom Highlighter Palette. All right, so there we go. 4 colors in there. Very pretty, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, is that some embroidery I see?
No.
Oh, I thought I saw some.
No, but look at that on the front.
Yeah.
And that is a $36 value.
Next, I have this lip scrub. And when you open it up, it's like white and shiny and stuff.
So that was their choice item for you. And that is by Delish Cosmetics. It's cruelty-free and vegan and a $19 value.
Look, woo! Isn't that cool? Oh, another palette.
And by Eloise, this is the Goddess palette.
Oh,
Gorgeous. That is a $32 value. That was one of their choices for you. I didn't choose that. You want to show them what it is? Or you just
yeah. I'm going to show them what it is.
Okay.
I was thinking if I just open it up. I have the Dewy Skin Glass Glow Skin Tint by Ciate London in 030, the color that is.
And it has hyaluronic acid for rehydration,
It sure
yuzu
does.
extract for moisturizing, and dragon fruit extract for brightening, and vitamin C for glow, and it's a $32 value. And they shorted me an item, so they were supposed to send me, which they chose for me, the YC collection. Oh My Eyebrows Taupe was the color, so it's an eyebrow pencil. $22 value, cruelty-free and vegan. It was not in my box, so I will have to let them know that. And then my boost, because I do boost this box, is the Murad Retinol Resculpt Overnight Treatment. This is a $105 value, and it targets deep set wrinkles. So I thought, yes, this was the right product for me. And there is how that looks. And then I just have one add-on, and that is the Murad Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum. And I don't recall adding this on, so I'm not sure why I have it, but it's in there. It's one of those 350 sizes, but it wasn't, I wrote down everything that I got, everything that she got, so that I know if there's add-ons, and I had no add-ons. So, I don't know, it was just in there. But this is a sample size. It does not take the place of the full-size item that I was supposed to get. All right, so who had the better box? They were both pretty makeup heavy, with Chloe getting a blush and lipstick and an eyeliner duo with glitter, and I got a highlighter palette, a eyeshadow palette, and I got a hair item, and that Murad was a box boost, so it really doesn't count towards who has the better box because she doesn't have her box boosted. So let us know in the comments what was your favorite item and who had the better box. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.